Hey everybody, Jonathan here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Selenium Chrome driver on your Mac. I'm going to show you in 4 easy steps how that's done. If you look in the description of this video, there are timestamps to each one of the steps. And if you get anything out of this video, I just ask that you hit the subscribe button and hit the like button or leave a comment below. Thank you. Let's get right into it. So step number 1 is to identify the version of Google Chrome that you're running. This is important because later on in this video, we're going to be downloading a file that corresponds with this version number. So to get your Google Chrome version, you're going to click these 3 dots here after opening Google Chrome. You're going to go to Help, and then you're going to go to About Google Chrome. Once you open that, it's going to open up a new tab, and it's going to tell you right here, version 108. Make a note of that version and proceed to step 2. Okay, so step number 2 here is to download the Chrome driver. To do that, we're going to go to Google and we're going to type in download Chrome driver. In the search results, your first result will be this chromedriver.chromium.org. You're going to click that. Once you click that, it should be chromedriver.chromium.org/downloads. And if you remember, we had a version of Chrome that we're going to have to find the corresponding version of Chrome driver. So mine was 108, yours might be 109, it might be 110 down the road in the future, 115, whatever it might be. But I'm 108, I know that for a fact. I'm going to click that link and then you're going to see these options here. Select the one that corresponds with your operating system and processor architecture. Mine is Mac 64-bit. You click it, it starts to download. Once that download's finished, you're going to unzip it, and I'll see you in step number 3. So now that we have our Chrome driver unzipped and it's sitting in our downloads folder, what we need to do is open a specific folder and place that file in that folder. So to do that, we're going to hold down the Command key, Shift, and G, which is going to open this dialog box, and we're going to go to /usr/local/bin. We're going to open that folder. We're going to open that folder and we're going to place our Chrome driver in that folder. A version of I already have Chrome driver in there, so I'm just going to click replace, but yours should not have the replace button. You should just be able to paste in there easily. So now our Chrome driver is right there. It's in our /user/local/bin folder. So in the 4th step, what we're going to do is we're going to open up your IDE or Notepad or however you're writing your Python. Be sure that you've installed the Selenium library. We're going to do write 2 other lines of code just to instantiate a browser. But what this is going to do is it's just going to run Chrome driver for the first time and run Selenium for the first time. And there's a few more steps we have to take care of. So driver equals webdriver.chrome, driver.get, and then we're going to open up example.com. You hit the play button or run the script, however your environment dictates. It's going to give you this error cannot be opened because the developer is not verified. To solve that, you're going to go into settings and then security and privacy, and then see this button here, allow anyway. Okay, hit the lock to make changes. Go back into your environment, rerun the script, and there's going to be another warning. Mac OS X cannot verify developer of Chrome driver. Are you sure? And then yes, we're just going to say okay, open. And if you have done all of those things properly, Chrome driver will now be running. It's going to open this can open it whatever URL you want. So thank you so much for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and thanks